Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is D and this is New Touch Auto. We got a Mustang in here. Currently it's gray, man, like a storm cloud dark gray. We're gonna hit it with the matte black. This video here is pretty much just gonna show you how you can restyle your vehicle. And the stripes, we're gonna leave the stripes on there. It's gonna give it a triple effect, man, like a 3D effect. We're gonna finish cleaning this vehicle off. We got the soap going, letting it degrease it. Once we get it clean, it's time to get it in. We're gonna break it down and then we're gonna jump straight into our wrap. Now I'll show you the wrap that we're gonna use, and it's gonna be a nice matte finish. And like I said, we're gonna keep those stripes on there. And thank y'all for watching this video and checking it out. And oh yeah, hit that subscribe button right now because you don't want to miss out on our future videos. So let's get into the color that we're gonna go with for the Mustang. We're going with a flat matte black finish. Now don't get it confused with matte and satin. The difference is satin sits right in the middle between matte and gloss. Satin has a sheen to it, more so than the matte. Now on your left is satin, man. That has more of a sheen as you see. And then the matte is just pretty much flat. Now let's get into the parts and everything we're gonna do to make it easier for us to take off and wrap the vehicle. We got it ready, man. We got to take off these parts though. So what we're gonna do, we got to remove some things from this vehicle before we wrap it. But before we get into that, let's talk about what we're gonna do to complement the vehicle. Now you got some nice gloss black wheels on there. We're gonna keep that because that's gonna set it off. It's gonna give it a trifecta look. We also gonna keep these side mirrors gloss black, and we're gonna keep the roof gloss black. That's gonna give it a nice look. And I'm telling you, man, those stripes, they're gonna be 3D and it's gonna look nice. Now what we're gonna remove, we may remove those headlights, make it easier for us to wrap this vehicle inside, man, because see that dip in there? That's pretty hard to get to. Without those lights, it could be easier to get to. On the hood, we're gonna remove those vents and we take it around. We're gonna remove the side mirror. We're gonna remove the door handle. We're gonna remove this rear spoiler back here. And then we may remove the tail lights just to make it easier for us. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, get these parts removed. And it's showtime, man. We're gonna get our cuts, make sure we got everything leveled out, and then we're gonna be all set. And that completes the full wrap on this Ford Mustang. We got the matte black finish on it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You like this color? You would have chose a different color? I want to know. Leave it in the comments. Now let's talk about the compliments we left out. We got the gloss black to match up with this, man, because it gives it a trifecta look. Gloss black wheels, side mirror, and the roof. Now all those areas match up well with that side window because it's tinted black. Now let's go to the front. Now remember, if you're wrapping the car, man, if you can feel it, you're gonna be able to see it. And right here, we had those rally stripes. Now you can see them. That was the intention. We wanted those to stay there because it gives it a 3D look and it looks nice. The emblem on the front, gloss black. Everything is buttoned back together. Nice finish, man, nice finish. Let's take it around to the back. Now remember that thing on the window? Now that was matte black. The spoiler was matte black. So everything is plushed together. You can't go wrong with that. Now we're gonna get this car outside, so stay tuned for the before and after pictures. We're gonna get a few videos of before and after as well. My subscribers, y'all are amazing. And I appreciate y'all for sticking this out with me, man, and subscribing and just being there. Now for those who haven't subscribed, this is a perfect time to hit that subscribe button. You don't wanna miss our videos, man, trust me. Now let's get this car outside, man, because I'm about to hit you with that 3, 2, 1.